Hello, my name is Aishwan. Plan to my next episode. So today we're gonna learn about how to make comics books. So if you want to make comic book, I've already made a drawing of Sonic the Hedgehog. So yeah, today it's sort of like a Sonic the Hedgehog comic or something. So yeah, today we're doing that. Uh, First of all, you need to make a panel what your comic thing will happen. And yeah, I've already finished this drawing, and I'm gonna be right back, and I'm gonna finish it, and I'm gonna show you how it looks. Yeah, and this is Sonic the Hedgehog. Now we need to go this by panel. So all you need to do is just get some characters from this thing. Let's just draw some panels, as you can see over here. So if you wanna do that, you see now that was in pencil. Now it was black, and I did not ink it. I used this kind of pen. Where did I get this? This online done lulujunior.com. So go to their website and find this kind of pen, and yeah, you'll find it. So yeah, so Sonic is doing that. I'm gonna add one more effect going on. This is the window, and it's something that's coming, and then it's gonna be something big. Crash. If you hadn't heard my story, this has something to do with Eggman. Well, Eggman is not here, but there's someone other people here we have not met. It's not Metal Sonic, but it's metal. Crash. This is going to be my new comic book series. This is the challenge for the 6-month comic book challenge, too. Look at my last videos to find out. So, well, this is the test step-by-step book. You'll know how to make it. And I'm gonna tell you how to do it. So first, if you're gonna draw Sonic the Hedgehog, you have to do this. Right. Let me show you right here. First, get a pencil, something like that, and then Sonic is gonna be running in this panel. First, we have to draw this thing, and then we have draw a circle. Then draw this. Then just draw a line here and draw a rectangle like that. And you'll just draw this. And then draw his ears. And then go a little bit up over here, like over here. And draw his spikes. But his spikes are going to be like this. The spikes are like that. And we draw the ear all the way over here. Now we just erase this a little bit if you don't make this mistake. And you just have to bring that down. Yep. And then draw that. Draw this. His face. And then just draw his nose. Color it in. And I'm just gonna draw a little bit something. And yeah, and then you just have to do this. Sonic is like, what? And then draw a little bit like that. It should be a really thick like that thing. Yep, so yeah, that now we've done. Now we just have to draw this. And you draw this. And then you draw another like that. Now we're gonna draw his cuff. Yep, like that. And then start over here behind, just a little bit behind the cuff. And do that. And then do that. And then if you want to know how to draw his shoes, it's gonna be like that is the yep. And then we have to do this. And then yeah. And then next we have to do this. Another one of those. Thing. Do the same thing we just did in the right leg. You can also do like this. I don't care. You can draw any type of tree you want on Sonics. And then you draw this thing over here. That's gonna be his thing. Now we've done that. Now what do we do? Let me show you. Make this arms, legs, shoes. Now I just need a black pen or black marker to trace it. So obviously we need to draw the spikes. Basically like tracing. You also need an eraser for this. After this step, you're gonna have your Sonic the Hedgehog. And just trace like this. If you have a darker pen, you can use it. That always matches. Yep. And then just draw this. And I need to just drag this thing out of here, so I'm gonna be right back. Yeah, so I just came here, and now the arms. The thingy on his belly. The thingy on here. And do that thing here. Draw his shoes. I'm gonna be right back from drawing his shoes. I am back. So I've drawn my shoes. And oh my gosh, the leg is so. And yeah, you have to just draw this here. And you don't use that thing over here. And all you have to do is just erase all the thing with an eraser. And don't forget your knees to be this high. one is allowing pants, so he obviously needs that thing. Yep, and we just need to draw this thing right here. And yeah, that's pretty much your Sonic the Hedgehog. So you need to draw this. I'm gonna read that. So see you and please subscribe. Bye. And this is my comic panel. So see my last videos and bye. And I upside down in this one, so yikes.